So today we're at my cabinet shop and I bought this van for the back because lately I've been having a lot of pain and I like using it because it relieves a lot of the stress on my back.
All right, today we're gonna bring a brace. Now this brace for your back is perfect. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that you should know. First of all, if you're not comfortable with this padding in the back, because if you're gonna sit down in the chair or it might be too bulky, Velcro. You can easily come out. But I actually enjoy it because it has this memory foam in there. Very comfortable. Now this is part of your actual spine. So just make sure you line it up straight when you're actually putting it on. Now on the actual brace itself, you could feel some hard plastic in there to help you support your back. And I'm going to show you how to use this because not everybody knows how to use this. So the way it works is very simple. So you see this part, this is the one that's facing up. So what you want to do is you have to, first of all, let these little circle ones out, right? Out. Then what you do is you get your brace. Make sure you wrap it around your waist, all right? And make sure you line it up with your center, all right? Meaning that it has to be behind your spine. So these two going first, right? Two of them wrap each other up, nice and fit. Now, it's not for working out, it's for sitting down, all right? And then you have the two circle ones that you have in here, and you push them towards you. Don't overlap them, just in front of you like that. So showing you guys. So if you work in the field or you have a bad posture that you're sitting on a chair, this is perfect. So I personally, I hunch over a lot and I work on the computer every day. So this thing fits really well. Sometimes I don't even notice I'm wearing it. Now, it's not just for me. It's also personnel, people that are working in the field, everyday people that have to move around. This is a perfect waist for them. Now, I won't recommend you using it for workouts because it's not for that kind of way. It's for more support. So let me show you how it looks on a chair. All right, normally on an office chair, people have these back braces for it, but in reality, you don't need it because this actually slims down to any type of chair that you sit in there. If you guys notice, it doesn't have any bulky stuff popping out. It's fit for your comfort, your waist, your back, and very simple to install. So if you guys are looking for something like this, help you out with your back support. Now, another great thing is that it's very discreet. So if you're going to wear this under clothes, it's even better. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.